If you want to back up phone contacts to Gmail, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, locate your contacts application. Now tap at the three dots at the top left corner and press Manage Contacts. Now we gotta find our import or export contacts. Press Export. We need to export them. Choose contacts, choose where you want to export them. I'll choose internal storage. Scroll down to choose export, press OK. Great. Now how do we import them? We can do this either contacts by importing them by Google Contact, of course, by finding import and file. Choose your file and find your contacts, or if you don't have it, we can simply open up our Gmail or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. Now tap on your account icon and press Google account. Here we gotta find our people and sharing. Now choose your contacts, press stay in web, tap on the three lines here, press import, press select in file. Here choose my files, or maybe if you have it on the Google disk like I do, automatically upload everything to Google Disk, so you can choose it right from here and press import. And that's basically it, easy as that. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.